Welcome back. In the previous 8 episodes, we detailed the assembly process of over 100 parts of the generator engine. Today, you will see the final completion, the perfect shaping of the generator engine. First, we precisely align the hand start flywheel with the turbine fan. This step is crucial for engine startup, ensuring smooth operation. Next, we install the hand pull drive wheel. We secure the drive wheel in place to prevent any looseness during startup and ensure smooth power transmission. The automatic torque wrench is now in operation. With precise thrust, the torque wrench tightly bonds the flywheel, fan, and drive wheel together. This precise thrust operation ensures seamless connections between components, improving assembly accuracy and efficiency while avoiding any loosening or instability. The installation of the ignition coil is a crucial step. The technician places a copper shim into the gap to ensure the high voltage pack is precisely aligned, preventing electrical interference during operation. Afterward, the copper shim is quickly removed and the ignition system is ready. The carburetor installation process is a bit more complex, but it is vital for the smooth operation of the engine. First, the technician skillfully places the sealing gasket, then places the auxiliary bracket and inserts the ignition coil's wiring into the slot, placing the second sealing gasket. Next, we carefully install the carburetor onto the bracket and ensure a tight connection with the engine compartment. Now, we install the throttle adjustment linkage spring. This precisely manufactured spring helps the engine maintain smooth throttle adjustments, ensuring precise, stable, and reliable operation. Look, the technician is starting to skillfully install the second engine. Now, we install the air filter assembly to effectively filter out impurities in the air and ensure long-term engine operation. The technician places the sealing gasket, then the filter back cover. Installs 2 fixing nuts. Tightens the adjustment linkage nut and installs the special sponge filter and the filter housing. Then, the technician locks the filter housing in place with a metal clasp. The engine is transported to the end of the production line, ready for final processing. The technician carefully removes the engine's fixed bracket and hands it over to the stacking personnel. The stacking personnel connect the air filter hose and transport the engine to the stacking tray, waiting for the installation of subsequent generator products. Erayak Electronics has dozens of self-developed engines for generators. And the video above showcases just one of the models we produce, 168F. Look, here are neatly arranged completed generator engines. In addition to supplying generators, we also provide complete generator power systems. And behind these perfect engines is the hard work and dedication of our team. Next, we will start showcasing the complete assembly process of portable generators. Stay tuned.